edwonti barakuku mikbele edwonti yankuri muteye jina gari yen chaw muteye jina gari yen chaw twala Omanbapa. 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 Omanbapa.
Okay, so now here's what I want you all to do. I want you to develop and document videos on environmental issues created by citizens and can be solved by citizens. Understood?
Sir.
Yeah.
Is this like a documentary?
Exactly. You're not filmmakers.
Oh, like Marvels. Sir, I'm just like Steven Spielberg, the great director.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So now here is the most important part of this project. Now, it's going to form part of your end of term exams. And therefore, you can't afford to slack, okay? I want you to develop, actually document every individual's contribution and show evidence for your grade. Well, clearly you guys haven't done your homework on me. In my class, we don't just talk. We practice what we learn. That's the most important reason why we're here. To be functional and what? Impactful members of society. Not just theorists. The world is looking for problem solvers, not note copiers.
So we know about this one.
Okay. All right. So now I want each group to appoint a leader to be responsible for the work ahead. Understood? Good. Yes.
The work you give is very difficult.
Difficult?
Yes.
It's not difficult.
So it deals with a lot of explanation.
Okay, we'll talk about this tomorrow, okay?
Hello, Mr. Handsome.
Hey, darling. What's up?
Are you getting to see or not? I don't buy it.
See his wife.
Is that his wife?
Look at them. I hear the woman is older than him.
And how does that concern?
Oh, Charlie.
Hey, isn't the man supposed to be older? Women grow very fast. This one in 10 years, when we see them together, we think it is mother and son affair.
You guys, I thought you were more modern than your parents.
I talk something.
Don't know you are still stuck in the old age.
I want to true.
I hear it is the woman who even proposed to him.
Madam, and how do you know?
I heard it's just talking.
And what's wrong with that?
Charlie.
I thought what men can do, women can also
Charlie,
do.
talk some.
You guys are so behind time.
Please put your seatbelt.
So, where are you kidnapping me to?
Somewhere far, far away.
All right, so I submit myself to be kidnapped then.
You're done with your class, right?
Correct.
So, I'm taking you out for lunch.
Oh, I love this. All right.
Omanbapa no here, Omanbapa no here. Ampara, mikbele edwonti, barakuku, mikbele edwonti, yankuri, muteye jina gari yen yichaw, muteye jina gari yen yichaw. Dwala.
Oh, Kwame. Oh, my goodness.
Really good.
Great.
Nice. You know, I think you have to kidnap me more often. I just love the spontaneity.
You're welcome. You like the pizza?
Yeah, really good.
So I need to talk to you about something. Don't give me that look, it's not that serious.
Okay.
Okay, so remember Aisha? My supplier from the north?
Oh yeah, what happened to her?
Oh, nothing. She told me about this really juicy opportunity. And it's exactly what I need to take my business to another level.
Right.
The only problem is I don't have what it takes to access that opportunity.
So what do you need?
Investments. Remember you told me about some foreign investors and I was hoping you could...
Isabella, you don't expect me to divert public projects for personal gains. That is exactly what I'm fighting against.
I'm not asking you to divert anything.
Not in those exact words.
Can I just say what I wanted to say?
Well, you have. And I'm sorry, I can't.
Omanbapa.
I'm not sure about this, your new idea. Popcorn is popcorn. How can it be hip and funky and trendy? You said the same thing about the Sleepers project and...
Dodo, come on. This is different. I will set up on all the campuses. Then the students will buy it in droves. We'll make back our money in just 3 months.
Okay, show me your financial projections. Maybe I may believe you.
Listen, please. If you don't believe me, you don't believe me. It's not a piece of paper that will change anything. Trust me. You know I have my ways.
You. Okay, I'll see what I can do. You call me later this week. How long are you going to be around this time?
A while. My sister is putting me up, so...
Oh, that's great. Then it means we can meet up later. And you know, as for you and I, you know it seriously.
Dodo.
Yeah.
You're married now.
Oh. Okay. Okay, then I can't.
How callous, Dodo. So that's all that I'm good for, eh?
Okay. Okay, I'll see what I can do. But you two have to do something. You have to do something. You seriously have to do something. Okay? I just did investment with some new guys in town. And in 3 months, it will yield big and I'll cash out.
Really?
Yes.
Tell me about it.
Oh.
Maybe I'd like to join.
No, I'm not sure you can raise the minimum capital required. You can't. Yeah, so there's no need.
I would still like to know.
If you want to know, then I'll tell you. These guys...
Yeah, Kwame Brimpong here.
Good day, sir. I am calling to confirm a report that has come across my desk that you facilitated an investment arrangement for market women within your jurisdiction.
Really? Well, there's a talk of a loan facility going on, but nothing has been settled. We're still in the process of...
So you are not offering any investment at 67% in 3 months?
That's ridiculous. I'm not going to afford that kind of interest rate. Where did you get this information?
I'm sorry, but I cannot reveal my sources, sir. I'll call you back later. Thank you.
Hey, sis. What's up? Business not going too well? Trouble in paradise? Sex not going... Okay, tell me about it.
Keke, I need money. I need lots of money.
I don't want to say I told you.
Told me what?
To marry a millionaire.
And when he be?
Oh. So easy to pick on you.
Okay, let's get serious.
Okay.
Okay, so Aisha told me about this deal. I get to increase my annual revenue 5 times in 7 months. Good deal, huh?
Wow. Yeah.
Keke, I need this. We need this. I need to create a financial base for Kwame.
Have you told Kwame? He knows all kinds of people.
Of course he does.
But he's being his usual Boy Scouts about it. I know someone. He owes me a favor. I can call him and connect you and see.
How come he owes you a favor?
Do you want your money or you want to police my life?
Keke.
Okay. How much money are we talking about?
1 billion Ghana cedis. Thank you so much for this connection, Keke.
You know me. I have my ways and means.
So you still want to...
please. Focus on making your 800,000 Ghana cedis and give me my cats. Why?
But this thing is full of risk. There's no guarantee or fallbacks.
Bella, you're a businesswoman. You understand risk. If this thing goes through, you're making the investment of your lifetime.
And if it doesn't, I stand to risk my whole family savings.
I really think you need to talk to Kwame before you take this loan.
Take him out of this. He already has a lot on his table.
Bella, are you sure you're not still upset from his last
Omanbapa no here. Omanbapa no here. Omanbapa no here.
So we'll be closing admission to investors end of the week. If you want to invest, you need to join today or tomorrow.
But why are you closing admission? This is a very good deal. You need to inform more people to join.
Well, as I said, the underlying economics cannot support everybody. We need to put in place some checks and balances.
But your minimum requirement is not cheap.
Yes, of course. It's for an exclusive group of high flyers. But the instruments we invest in and the rate of returns, no bank in Ghana can afford that.
So then how do you guarantee that rate? It's rather too good.
You must be in the wrong place, oh madam. But seriously, we have investors all over the world. Hong Kong, Thailand, New York, Sri Lanka. We've investments in minerals, aerospace, real estate. What we do is we leverage our high-value contacts and market intelligence to make sure that we strike at only the hottest places.
I understand much better now. I'll bring my money tomorrow.
Good. You'll be most welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good.
Omanbapa.
Are you sure you want to take the whole amount? Everything?
Yeah. Why are you looking at me? It's her money.
Okay. We do not have 250,000 Ghana cedis to give out now, but we can pay it in 2 installments. Or I can issue a check to the one you're paying it to. It's safer.
Madam, that is not happening. Look, we need that money in bulk and we need it today. Besides, we need cash or we lose. Why are you looking at her?
It's her money.
Just do as she said. We need to take all the money today. Like I said, I'll return it before you know it.
Okay. I'll be with you shortly. Excuse me.
Omanbapa no here. Omanbapa no here. Omanbapa no here.
Me, I don't think the authorities are doing anything. How can someone throw their refuse inside the gutter and get away with it? That's littering.
So what's the solution?
Citizens must be responsible, but the rule of law must work. Who must do their work? Enforce the rules, that's all.
You mean actions must have consequences?
Yeah, people should be punished for their actions.
Sure.
True, but where are the dustbin when we want to dispose of something whilst in town?
But what about the places where there are public toilets, but people still use them?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So these are some of the challenges we have so far, and we need solutions to them, isn't it?
Papa, you know what? The rule of law must work. That's all.
That's all we need. Like.
So we have to do something to help to enforce the rules.
So like, Charlie, look at this.
We have to.
Maybe we can get something out of these things that we're gotten.
Bella. So you have all this money. Bella, you are rich, oh.
That is my entire life savings. It took me 18 years to make that amount. Kwame's bit is also in there.
And you still haven't told him?
You know what he will say. I'm sure it will mature before he becomes aware. And he wouldn't complain when he sees the massive improvement in my business.
Give me 5. See, I always knew you had the guts. Bella, that's a lot of money.
Let's just say I work hard for my money.
You and I are responsible for the cleanliness for our cities, and it starts with taking responsibilities for ourselves. Change begins with the man in the mirror. I choose not to litter, will you?
Cleanliness is next to godliness, they say.
I pledge to never throw waste about or do anything to hurt the environment.
I pledge.
I pledge. I pledge.
I pledge.
I pledge.
I pledge.
We pledge.
We pledge.
Hey, man of the house. Welcome.
Okay, that's odd. You've never addressed me like that.
Well, let's just say there's always a first time to everything.
Okay. What's up? What am I missing?
Daddy!
Hey.
Welcome! We're celebrating!
What are we celebrating?
Mommy made an investment today. It's going to give her the capital she needs to expand her business.
Okay. What's going on? I'm like a stranger in my own home.
Kwame, let's have this conversation after dinner, please.
You promised to tell me in the morning.
Can we talk about this later? I'm running a bit late.
Wow.
Please. I promise to tell you when I come back. Have a good...
Omanbapa.
Kwame.
We didn't need good leadership, we didn't need good citizenship and good relationship as well, so that we citizens can benefit from our own natural resources. Kadang, 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 kadang. One of you, one of you will make this nation great and strong. Yazapa, ya papa, ya papa, ya papa, yazapa,